Sensory Retreat Divine Glow
5
Face
pounds
Mask.
full size, 810. Love how it is warm and so relaxing.
Rhodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water.
33 pounds full size, 910. Very hydrating and removes makeup, even the waterproof makeup.
Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment.
37 pounds full size, 810. Lovely citrus scent and leave my hair soft.
Brushworks Spa Gel Eye Mask.
Full size, 610. I can't put in the microwave.
Dr. Papa Tinted Lip Balm.
7.25 pounds full size, 810. Love how it leave my lips moisturizing and the red tint. I can go out without lipstick when I use it.
Ishka Shampoo and Body Bar.
12 pounds full size. Never heard from this brand, however it smells gorgeous.